Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. The shipping box was rather large, so I took this box out of that box. This is a chronograph kindly lent in by a member of the Discord group. Link in the description below. The member's name is 3Ball Man. That's his screen name. I don't know where that comes from, but big thanks to 3Ball Man for loaning this over. So let's check it out. It's a cool looking chronograph with a yellow dial. I've not heard of this brand before. Let me know if you have. FORZO. Kind of reminds me of like an Italian sports car company or something. I don't know. But let's get this out of here. Looks like a cougar or some kind of big cat on there. So let's check this out. I like this case too. Kind of reminds me of like a stingray skin or something like that. Oh yeah, this thing is really cool looking. Look at that. Nice yellow dial on there. I guess he didn't wear it yet. So, I don't know. Maybe I won't get put it on wrist. I'll have to talk to him. I don't want to be the one to peel this plastic off. It shouldn't be my my thing to do here, right? The owner of the watch should have the pleasure of peeling the plastic. PPP, pleasure, yeah. Anyway, alliteration, I guess. Anyway, let's look at the back here. FORZO, looks like there's a model number here. Designed in England. Okay, cool. Quick release bracelet there. This is actually a mechanical movement. I thought it was a quartz movement. So it's a screw down crown. Plastic on the dial still too. I guess he didn't wear it yet. Must be mecha quartz. Without a running second, so yeah, that makes sense. That's why I thought it was a mechanical watch. So what did I do when I unscrewed the crown? Looks like nothing in that first position. Could be time set. Interesting. Alright, well, let me just throw it on wrist real quick and then we'll close out the video. Let's get the chronograph running again. So we have a 24-hour subdial on the right, chronograph, second hand there, which I just activated with the top pusher, and then this would be your 60-minute countdown timer for the chronograph. So we'll let that run, and then what are the markings on here? Okay, so it's 12-hour. It's dual time then. And then there's the tachymeter scale on the inside. Very interesting. I really like that yellow dial though. And then this is kind of a orange-ish, yellowish bezel. Maybe bronze colored. It's a little bit different than the dial color, obviously. So anyway, let's see if this minute ticks over. Looks like I already did a little bit. Alright, well, quick look at the FORZO. It says England there because it's designed in England, but clearly it's not made in England. Very cool looking watch. Drilled lugs. Interesting case back there. So let me know what you think of this watch, and you've heard of the brand before. It looks like we have screw links here, and then 3 micro adjust on that clasp. Oh, you know, I didn't put on my wrist yet, did I? I kind of lost track there. So let me get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. I have a 6.5 inch wrist. Looks like you could go up to 8 inches at least with this thing. A little bit larger of a watch. Stop that and reset it, and it'll snap right back. Really do like that yellow dial though. It's very cool. Should I peel it off real quick? There you go. There's a better look at the dial. Alright, well, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. And look for a video in the future with more detail on this watch. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. Okay, well, I talked to the owner of the watch, and he wants me to peel the stickers, so I'm coming at you from the future, and I'll put a note in the description or something to let you know I'm peeling stickers here. So let's get the stickers peeled off of this. Maybe I'll put them in a bag and send them to him. So let's get this off of here. I did look in the owner's manual, and it looks like this is a FORZO is a racing company in England. So I guess I was kind of close. I thought it was Italian for whatever reason. Let's see, under pressure. Let's get this off of here. Peel the sticker. That one's on there pretty good. You hear that? Pull the paper out there. Hopefully you can hear the stickers coming off. And these ones have an arrow on here. Let's see, what does that tell me? To pull it this way? I usually rip these off and mangle them, but I don't want to mangle it. Let's see here. He must have put it on and then put the bracelet on the clasp or something. Let's go for the other side. The other disadvantage here is I trim my nails short, so not so easy to grab onto these. These guys that put these stickers on probably laugh at the end user trying to take these things off. Oh, geez. Got that one all wrapped around itself. Well, I guess I'm not going to salvage these. So go back to plan A. There we go. I got that one all the way off, and then let's do the same for this one here. Then I'll put it on wrist again so you can see how it looks without the plastic being all over this thing. Maybe eventually, sometime in the next 10 seconds here. Might be tempted to cut these, but then you run the risk of scratching the watch, which kind of defeats the purpose of having them all wrapped up. Finally, got it off of there. Success. So there's an arrow on there. These are push pins, aren't they? Oh, push pins. Been better if they were screw pins. Nice bracelet though. It feels nice. Kind of feels like my SKX Jubilee bracelet. Links are nice and small. So let me get this on wrist. So bonus double wrist. Make sure I got all the stickers off my table. I'll also be on there for the next video. Okay, get everything off there. Let's get this on wrist. Yeah, very comfortable feeling bracelet. Still not exactly sure what color the bezel is, but the dial is definitely yellow. I will consult with my wife on the color of the bezel, and I'll get back to you guys on that for the full video presentation. So there we go, a little bit bonus footage here. Really like the look of this watch, very neat. All right, now that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.